Have you had your pumpkin seeds today? I'm Jawar the chef. Today I'm going to show you the best way to eat your pumpkin seeds. First, you get your nice pumpkin, just like I have here. Then you get your nice sharp knife. Make sure you don't cut yourself. Then go, just start cutting because you have to get in there to get all that good ingredients and stuff out there for those pumpkin seeds. That's what we're talking about, the pumpkin seeds. Now you finish just like I have. Now we done cut this here pumpkin out and everything. Now, voila, this is what we get, pumpkin seeds. This is what we're after, these nice pumpkin seeds. We're going to show you how to eat these here. This is what it's all about, right here. Pumpkin seed, get you a nice spoon. So you can just start scooping all this here out and everything. And just get the little scoop. It's going to be a little tough right there. There's your seeds. And then just start putting them out. Start putting them out. Then just keep scooping. Just scoop. Once you done scoop your pumpkin seeds out and stuff, remove a lot of this here goop right here. Then you just place them in a non-stick pan. Spread them out. Pumpkin seeds are very good for you. High in protein and everything. A lot better than a whole lot of candy and smacks and all that other stuff. But pumpkin seeds are good for you. Then we put it in a non-stick pan. Okay, now we're going to add a little salt. You just want to put a little salt in there. You don't want to put too much in there because too much is not too good for you. We still got to say these are nice pumpkin seeds. We don't want to destroy it with too much salt. So now I take my pumpkin seeds over to my oven, which has already had been preheated at 350 degrees. You got to keep them all nice and healthy and good. And about 15 minutes, you should have some nice, healthy pumpkin seeds. Something smells real good. It must be my pumpkin seeds. Oh, yes. Pumpkin seeds. Oh, nice. Look at the texture. Bring them over here and I plate them. Put a little salt with them. Look at the texture of everything that came out on them. Put a little salt. Now that's pumpkin seed. I'm Jawar, the chef. Now that's how you make your pumpkin seeds. Thank you.